Colors and strokes, I started in 2021. As since my childhood, I was very fond of painting, art, and COVID time was the time जब समझ नहीं आ रहा था सबको क्या किया जाए. So I started off. Decoupage is the French art actually, which basically means you take pieces of paper and you stick it on any surface which looks as if you've painted it. So that is an art which I started off along with my painting, and it was appreciated, and everyone encouraged me to start off my little the small venture. And I also went into doing resin after that, in which, and my main area of work is I do personalize and customize things. You want something, which color you want, what kind of print you want, what size you want, I can, you can discuss with me, and any sort of thing can be created, whatever is in my, whatever is possible with me. So basically, I want to show you the kind of surfaces we use. Like, we buy these raw MDF surfaces. This can be done on glass, wood, leather, any kind of product. This is the raw product, and this is what we create. This is actually a paper which we stuck on it. If you all want to just see it, it can go around. The kind of, like, this tray is there, and over that I've done a resin coating also, so that you can use it for very long time and it does not get spoiled after doing the paperwork. The kind of papers we use, the best paper we use is the thinnest possible paper. This is a rice paper. You will not believe the kind of paper we use is this kind of paper we use for decoupage. देखने में ऐसा लगेगा जैसे ये हाथ पोंछने वाला नैपकिन है. Basically it is that. But these are all imported papers which are used. And इस paper को भी हम 3 layers होती हैं इसकी. We have to remove that layer, which is a very tedious task. We remove the thinnest possible sheet is used. This is the best kind of paper. Even a thick paper can be used. So these are different kind of papers which we use. We do jewelry, mandalas, Diwali, Christmas, Rakhi, all festivals. We try to create new things, different things. These are the, like, we can make same print you can take and we can make, different products like the organizers, the mobile stands, candles can be decoupaged, keychains can be decoupaged, and I think all of you will be getting a keychain. This is all faux leather. This is not animal leather. This is synthetic leather which is used, and decoupage has been done on that. Tissue boxes, organizers. We make these kind of sets, these kind of, I'd made for one of my clients 2 years back, I made 10 sets like this, they wanted it for corporate gifting. Trays. Trays can be made in different shapes, different sizes, prints, what color you want, what theme you want. Everything is possible in this. These are all examples of different kind of things we use. That's a candle, which is on a printed tray. These are tissue boxes, different shapes, different designs, different styles. These are also organizers, and set of organizer and tissue box. This is not decoupage. This particular product is just a 3D art, which we do through stenciling and clay. We can make products for kids like that one. What age you have to gift to. My main 90% of the orders I get, like, my products are not, you will not buy them every day. Once you buy it for your house or anyone else buys it, it's a one-time buy. But for gifting, that is the best part. Like, I remember one of my friends had her daughter who was turning 10. She wanted 16 return gifts. So she said 16 return gifts chahiye 10-year-old girls ke liye, most of them. What can you make? So I made hairband stands for them with each name on it. I think that picture should also come. These are tea chests or coffee chests. Like, if you have a formal place, especially in offices and all, you have a kettle or something, you can just, kind of keep different kind of teas and coffees arranged in that. There are people who've been using these kind of boxes for dry fruits also, for gifting. These things are used. Coasters can be made in lot of variety. Wooden coasters, these are acrylic coasters. That is a resin coaster with surface of resin, so it becomes more durable. Ceramic planters in different shapes can be done. Like decoupage is, you can do it on any surface actually. You can do it on glass, you can do it on mirror, you can do it on ceramic, leather, wood. These are mobile stands which can also be customized if you want, like I made for Kanchanji. That can be, with your logo or something, or you want to gift it to someone, you can have your company's name or something, or with different prints, or a customized print also. We can get the printouts done and we can decoupage on any surface. We come to resin. Nameplates in resins are a very popular thing these days. Because people always want something new when they make new houses, or they want to gift to anyone for a housewarming or something. Resin nameplates, resin jewelry, resin trays, resin coasters can be done in any color, any design, most of the shapes, because the molds have to be available. This is also all resin. Rakhis are made in resin. Bookmarks are there. These are coasters, tea light holders. This is jewelry. Most of the jewelry has resin coating, or there are stones. This is all wooden products. These are very good for gifting. If you have to gift to your spouses, your daughters, especially youngsters, teenagers like to wear this kind of funky jewelry. Painting has been obviously my thing. This was one set I made for one of my clients. She sent me a picture. She said, "Can you copy it?" So actually, but even I was very surprised when the whole thing came out, that it was exactly what she had sent me. These are some of the paintings which I have done. The mandalas. Mandalas also, many designs, many varieties, sizes can be done. This is diamond painting. Diamond painting is basically very small resin stones. So each stone is stuck on this canvas. If maybe many of you know about cross stitch embroidery, उसमें जैसे एक एक पॉइंट के ऊपर करते हैं, तो every colored stone is put and it is created like this. This is all diamond paintings. Festive decor में these are tea light holders, rakhis in different sizes, different shapes, different styles. Customized rakhis also I've done with names. I don't think that picture is there. Rakhis with names or initials or bracelets, they all can be done. These are all Diwali decor. Christmas decor. Personalized gifts where you can use photographs, logos, names, any sort of thing can be made. These are plates, ceramic plates or glass plates with photographs. This is a very good gift if you have to give or a birthday. For children, the organizers with photographs, all children stuff. These are the hairband stands I was talking about. This was the one I made for Kanchanji, Ritika Diamonds. So this kind of mobile stands can be made. This is with name, organizers. Passport covers with name, without name. These are fridge magnets. These are all passport covers. This is a transformation thing. Can we play this as a video, the left one? This was a table when my brother was shifting, so he was throwing away this table. I said, "You give it to me, I'll do something about it." I changed the whole look, did decoupage on the glass, and I'm using it in my own house. So if you have any kind of old furniture which you want to, revamp, that is also possible. We can paint it into any color, into funky colors, or you can do decoupage. So this is a reverse decoupage. The decoupage is done from the bottom part of the glass. So top is glass, you can use it, it will not get spoiled forever. And this is the look which came out. This is how we do the process. These are few of the testimonials. Thank you. The lipstick box. This is my give and ask. Yeah. Ask is anyone who requires for return gifts, any gifting shop if you know, and you can connect me. Well, we can have a regular sort of thing who want something. for personalized gifts. That's it. Thank you.
अगला किसने पढ़ना है जल्दी से? यहाँ पहले बुला लिया करो, है ना, सो दैट वी डोंट लूज ऑन टाइम। उसके बाद अगला वाला कौन है वो भी बुला लो, है ना? हाँ, तो ललित जी ने किसकी पढ़नी है? हाँ, तो हमने तो ओके।